Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make tea easy steps. Start by choosing fresh tea and clean water, measure 1 TSB or 1 tea bag per cup, then heat water to the right temperature and steep for the appropriate time. Cover while brewing to keep heat, strain into a warmed cup, and taste before adjusting with milk, lemon, or sweetener. Serve with a small snack for a cozy moment. Choose good water and the right temperature to bring out flavor without bitterness. Use 1 TSB or 1 tea bag per cup and adjust for stronger tea. Follow steeping times: 2-3 minutes for green, 3-5 minutes for black, and 5-7 minutes for herbal blends. Cover while steeping to keep heat, then taste and adjust strength. Small tweaks like slightly cooler water or brief extra steeping make big differences in flavor. After steeping, strain into a warmed cup and taste before adding anything. For milk teas, add milk after brewing to judge strength, and for lemon or honey, add gradually to balance. Try iced tea by cooling brewed tea quickly and serving over ice with citrus or mint. For stronger blends, blend small batches and dilute to taste. Share with friends to enjoy different preferences and discover new blends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.